Well, Stanley, we did it. We finally got the little tornado lawnmower put together, and it's beautiful. I told you we wouldn't have any trouble.
And we saved $20 by doing it ourselves.
Here, Stanley, you may have the honor of being the first to start it.
What do I do with this, Ollie?
Well, that's what you use to start the lawnmower.
Thanks for telling me, Ollie. Giddy up, lawnmower! Giddy up! Giddy up! Giddy up!
Not that way. You wrap it around the starter pulley, like this. Now pull. Oh, wait, my tie! Help, Stanley! Turn off the engine! Oh, I don't know, Ollie! I don't know! Well, do something! Hurry up! Cut me loose! Now, Stanley, you mow the lawn while I take a nap.
Okay, Ollie.
Stanley, not so fast. You'd better slow down. I can't. Oh! Stanley, watch where you're going. I can't, Ollie. Well, at least that machine can't get me up here. Oh, no! Well, Stanley, I hope you're satisfied.
Well, I couldn't help it.
Now you sit right there so I can keep an eye on you while I mow the lawn.
All right, Ollie. Look out, Ollie!
Quiet. I'll do the driving. Oh!
Ollie! Look out!
Now look what you've done.
I'm sorry, Ollie. I didn't mean to do that. You know, Ollie, I don't think we've ever been down the street before.
Be quiet, Stanley. I think I hear a siren.
You're right, Ollie. There must be a fire somewhere.
Okay, pull that thing over and stop.
But we don't know how to stop it, officer.
Just take your hand off the handle.
Like this?
Now, why didn't we think of that, Ollie? It certainly was a good thing that policeman showed up.
All right, you two. Come over here.
Certainly, officer. And we want to thank you for the heroic manner in which you tried to...
Never mind. I'm citing you for speeding, reckless driving, evading arrest, operating an unlicensed vehicle, running a red light. Hey, you! Don't touch that handle!
Do you mean this one?
Come back here!
Don't tell him that.
Help! 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 Somebody help!
Look out!
I told you, officer.
Come back here!
No, you've done it. You know how to stop this thing?
No, I don't know how to stop it.
Be quiet. What's that strange sound?
It sounds like the lawnmower.
I believe you're right, Stanley. Oh, no!
Pull over! Stop! Hold! Stop! Stop!